So hey y'all, I had a little tip for you today. You know your bottle that has a special top on it, and I ran out, right, but I don't want to throw my bottle away because I paid too much for this. So I'm going to take the top off. I don't know if y'all knew the top came off, but it does. Yes, it does. And I'm going to take some other dishwashing liquid that I brought, right? And I'm going to put it all in here. As much as I can. Fill it to the top. Then I'm going to take the top, screw it back on. Okay, and now I still don't have any spills. So if you haven't thought about this, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing, but I'm going to continue to use my top or my Dawn bottle this way with whatever dishwashing liquid I want to use. Okay, because I might not always want to use Dawn, even though I love it. But I found this Oxy at the Goodwill, okay, for $1.50. And yeah, upcycle, upcycle, upcycle.